Kwata ni sena omurangira suna. By the way, where did omurangira suna go?
I don't know. I love this song. Kunkchura nahora radio. I just get to think about I just listen to it sometime back in Kandi and I listened to it on radio and I felt so heartbroken. I want you to imagine Ivan or you know mwana kweshongori cheshongo. Okay, I na mwete both names and you know it is rare.
Kasuma Jen.
Yes, it is rare kushangano zanko gambizi na rianyoko kashangam you can say it that bold. By the time you actually say it, you're saying it from the bottom of your heart, like you have a reason to say it. I listened to that song and I'm like, there is a time that my child would actually talk about me and say my mother and Baba's charity. So kunkumteka every time I hear him singing, I imagine I am so sure she will never heal.
Well, nanye nezisha. You know mama yangambira gatkonka Ivani. Ibuchinte chora nkunda honenje nti namazina gawo gabiri garashona. Ati gabiri garashona ati gabiri garashona gate nti businje peace. Mama mazina gakabaga businje peace.
Konko abaraga mwese nabazire bakabashome.
Ukuruje munonga mama akakurira hakora sibukinda. Urubuga
bakabashome ninkaba Mbabazi Grace.
Urubuga
wabura mwana bakweta Mbabazi Grace. Mama ngri arabazire inaka kubura mu.
Habat Katunji.
By the even Mbabazi Charity, those two names actually mean the same thing.
So I
don't understand my parents. Yes.
Hati Omukazi nkogumpo yangine.
Achura mbyata nakane bukanya tkangarki. Someone told me a story omuntu kanjira at Charity at you're such a young girl. Yes. Yeah, even now I am a young girl if you didn't.
Young girl.
Yes, I am a very very young girl.
Mutabani wa mukora mazere sine yakana.
Shanaka mzara nyine myaka 10.
Maruko.
By the way, enda naba mukora katamko ko mujareba yaba ngufu. Most likely is actually old. So akari nangambira that in fact nangambira kari Omukazi mukuri anja that you're young. I have just one advice for you nkomushu mtonto. Yazira tukorba no yenda kwanga n'omushaija. Otarianga na kiryo mworo. Atabu kuba wayanga na kiryo mworo kuza kugaruka, it is actually difficult byakanyira. At so you waza kwangana or making a sure actually wayanga biruho so that even when you're coming back they don't assume ngo biruho hati nibyo biriyo bikugaruza. Some no muntu nabasa no kuteka jati konko mutwabire tutinemo. This chick was actually there for me. Na wagaruka na jati you come and enjoy the sweetness of my sweet.
Waga bivuga Irene ngambire nyekiro turi kunywa biya.
Irene no.
Irene ngambire nyombe ntaramanya nango mushanjire mu ba.
Konga abakazi nibashemerwa abantu bagoroko gaba mazina gabo.
Irene.
Mweta Irene shango wabutinda.
Irene ngiziriti. Iwe Ivan no burunje bwawe.
Yes.
Ataho buryo otale kwana mukamushija aza wo mworo.
Kwana mukamushija aza wo mugiga.
Ireba muri itwe. Yakwese nakagamba kwatireba muri.
Nagora bia ninga nobe nagora ninga niwe bia.
Manyate ngo Mukazi yataraka kugambe jonganira araba yakurebere mwo buryo. Ka perfume akara kurugango nyine ko nke hasi yo kwahwa nenji. Dena tanike kure nyine kwe otiba kumpere kabi ni ogura hakawo arebwe nyine ko to inebwo
ayebe ngo ni wiro journalist wa Mukazi
yagira ati Omukazi wo mugiga wa mukwanaje ukamugambira je arasiga hiba
ayije
yakwangu abashija babagiga Enaama mpango tibinebwire bwe bitanda hako barabarya babagambira ngo sino track yahirimo ya miliyoni rukaga.
No manyisa ngo haraba akazi bakwena ngo basibo mu bitanda n'abashisha just and that's a job.
Charity iwukira ko businje niki? Charity mushawe cyentu kibonera munonga no kushangwe n'umuntu ora kundaza mukaza musoka mwemwe n'umukaya.
Okwe no kubura byo gukora kunoza ngo naba bagiga bazina bayo no basibo mu bitanda tibakazi. So abakazi mutorane kimwe manye kimuru kwenda. You cannot have everything on the table. Omushisha ko araze kuronda sente utakamu expecting ngo birizoba naza kujana kuronda naza kubara. Kandi abwana ndo okureba iwoje ndo kore then ogumeno ejo mshango mko muhereze byaru kwenda and then you take care of your husband. Wobe nyineka. Kandi wo mshisha wareeba Omukazi naakora munonga in such a manner niwe bambe wano mu addressing agono to Mr. Charity, how are you today?
Mr. What?
Charity.